Hello, we are from Stagnant Water team. Want to present our project about the implemented convolutional neural networks for the real-time face recognition online exam platform. With me, Vivi Tampubolon, and my friends Dewa Sembiring and David Gurning. The outline of our presentation explain about the background, problem analysis, solution, implementation, impact, and the last it is about the mock-up. Now, I want to explain about the background. And nowadays, the using of online exam platform is being applied a lot because this method can save space, time, as well as a distance. With this way, it makes the exam more flexible for supervisor and examiner. But in the other side, this condition causes the cheating like open book or search, collaborating with the other people, and replacing themselves to do the exam with the other people. In the current system, supervisors do not have access to oversee the exam. The supervisor cannot validate that the people who are taking the exam are really participants who register or not. With face recognition, this will be a solution to oversee the test by using the participant's camera for minimizing the cheating. Examine must register an account and take a real-time picture recognition and that data used as a validation before starting the exam. The examiner must turn on the camera during the exam. And the addition of our system, it is possible to validate the examiner who are taking the exam and can detect the excessive movement of participant, which is one of the indicator of cheating. CNN or convolutional neural network can be used to develop the face recognition based in website. CNN is the one of the most popular deep learning because the ability to analysis, classification, and face recognition.
Okay, so now here, what's the problem when the examinee do their exam by online? First, cheating by open book. Because there's no control over the exam activities, it is possible to cheat from books. The internet can be done more freely. Second, cooperation in exams. So the test can be done by several people. And third, replacing with the other people. So get someone else to do their own test. And for the next solution. So our teams have 4 solutions for the problem we've discussed previously. Firstly is registrations using real-time recognition. So the data image that has been taken in the real time can be used as a data set to validate the examinee before searching the exams. What's happened after that? So after we registration using real-time recognition, we could to validate examinees by turn on camera before the test. So before starting the exams, participants who have previously registered must turn on the camera to validate the data in the database. And next we are the participants should be turned on camera throughout exam. During the exam, participants are required to turn on the camera, which is useful for detecting excessive movement on the examinee. And last, CNN or convolutional neural networks. CNN model will be used in develop face recognition because it is the one of the best in analysis, classifications, and recognitions.
Now, I want to explain about our implementation. It is start from literature review. At this stage, we are collect the similar reference with our research, and then we do the analysis. At this stage, a requirement analysis is carried out, which is used for an overview of our application design. And then we collect the dataset. We are collect dataset facial image in multiple lighting condition. And then architectural design development and CNN modeling. Architectural design begins with determining the network depth, layer agreement, and selecting layer type. And then we do the CNN configuration to optimizing system performance in determining the suitability of network and the model. And then we do the implementation that we develop a web platform from the exam that use the MVC model. And for the face recognition, we use the Python programming language. And the last, we do the evaluation that the application testing is carried out by carrying the implementation of design and testing the suitability of system requirements.
Okay, so here the impact, but I will not read it all. But the point is, face recognition can reduce the occurrence of cheating during online exams. With the application of face recognition, it can be validated that the examinee is a participant who has previously registered. This will be useful for the assessment of an institution in conducting student admissions. And here you can see the mockup. There's a register page, but this is like as usual register page, but you need to pay attention with the input, which is take photo or ambil photo. After you click this input or button, you can see there's a show a pop-up which is requires you to take your picture directly. So this picture will be saved on our database to be used to validate your identity later. Then on the next page, there's a login page. This is just usual login page that require you nick and password to login on the website. And after you successful login, there's a homepage. In this homepage, you can see there's details about exam, which is duration, or about how much the question is. And but the important thing is there's a card on the bottom which is tell us that your ID is not verified yet. So you need to click the red button on the bottom, and after you click it, you will, the pop-up will automatically shows on your screen, and it will automatically scan your face. Is it match or not with the photo that you have been uploaded before on the register page? If it match, it will tell you that the verification is success. But if it failed, it will tell you that the verification is failed. Okay, and then after you success your verification, this is the view that the button that before is red become to green. It means that you had verified your identity, and then you can start your exam. Okay, on the next page, in the exam page, you can see here there's a question about exam that you need to finish. Okay, this is just a usual test page. Okay, and I think that's all for our presentation because we only given 10 minutes. It's not really much, but it's enough to tell you about our project. If you interested if you're interested with our project, uh, you can call me. You can call us to tell you about more in this project. We are from Stagnant Water. Thank you.